Okay, here's our Hotpoint wash machine. Model number HTWP1400F1WW. Serial number DD1777792H. Here are the settings. It's in the rinse cycle now. Power rinse is on. Temperature setting, load size. Here's the case number. The first number I've been told is inactive. The second number is for currently. I have this magnet on here so the machine will run with the lid up so we can watch what it's doing. Here's a yardstick. Here's a yardstick so I can show you how much water is in the machine when it starts to agitate. Alright. Okay, can I get some light down in here? Here. We're at about 5 inches of water right now. And here starts the agitation. 5 inches of water. Alright. I'm guessing the intent here is to do a slow agitation, not a fast, hard agitation like what it's doing. This is our third machine. We bought the first one in August 25th, I believe, 2013. Took that machine back a week later, swapped it out for another one. After that, I was told I had to call the service people. Service people have been in our house 4 times. 3 of the 4 times I've been told this is the way the machine is supposed to work. But it's ripping our clothes. Now we're going to go look at our clothes while the water's filling up. Here's what our it's pretty bright. Can you close those curtains real quick? Here's what's going on with all our towels. $1 bill to show scale. Relatively new towel. Hole in it. Here's some curtains that my wife washed. She'll take curtains down every year, couple years, wash them. These curtains got shredded. low water agitation. Jeans that I normally wear for a couple years before they rip. These pairs are both Levi Strauss 527s. Without being on sale, they're like $60 a pair. Okay. I'll head back to the wash machine. From here, I believe it does everything correct. It's doing an agitation here, medium agitation. After the water is full all the way. From here, it'll agitate, it'll drain, it'll spin, the clothes are ready for the dryer. The problem we have is with the low water agitation, with about 5 inches of water in it, it starts to do an agitation. And not a light agitation, a hard, fast agitation, and that's where it's ripping our clothes. Again, here we are back at the settings. This is only the rinse cycle. It does the wash cycle correctly. Now if you have this power rinse set to off, when it gets in the rinse cycle, when it gets about 5 or 6 inches of water in it, it stops putting any water in it. It just agitates and it'll finish the cycle from there. It'll agitate, it'll drain that 5 or 6 inches of water out, it'll spin, and then the clothes are ready for the dryer. This whole time, load size is set on super. Again, here's the case number. Alright, Hotpoint GE. How about a little help?